Hey and welcome. Let's get started to build our application and connect it with Firebase and make it ready to start working on it. So I will name it here a Twitter web service. Okay. Then the place that I want to save it, I want to save it desktop, Kotlin, Android. Then there is something about Twitter web service. This one I would save it here, and I will give it name like same this name, Twitter web service. So this is just folder for it, and I will make sure I'm setting just only Kotlin, so Kotlin support. Then next, then minimum version 14, that's fine. MPT, fine. Next, and wait for some time until he will create the project for me. After a while, he did create the project for me, and this is my project. So first step I have to do it, I just connect this project with Firebase. I make sure I already log in. I have a login in here from my application, from my device, so I would be able to connect with Firebase. So I already log in the specific user here, so you know that. So now I just have to go to tools, Firebase, then I try to connect with Firebase. First step, authentication, any one of them, just make sure to click on connect to Firebase to start connect with Firebase. I will create a new project. I will name it Twitter web service and click connect. Wait for some time until he will create it for us. Here we go. So and he done. So now if I go here to the Firebase console, run it, I have to see new project for hopefully seeing that project in the user, that same user. Oh, in this user I just created the Firebase. So make sure here, this is Twitter web service, this is my application, and it doesn't have anything, just empty. So just connected. The second step I have to do it, I have some asset I want to add it to the drawable. So if I go to the desktop, to my Kotlin, Android, and the assets, some assets I need to use it. So hopefully, so here is it. So here, then I go to the Twitter, hopefully, and this is the images. Copy them, paste them here, boom, done. So one important thing is the app icon. So make sure to go here and change the app icon here. Just remove this one. The app icon should go in the drawable tweets, and make sure this is for the normal icon and this for the rectangle icon. So both of them, I will use same for both of them. Here if I go just to go settings, Twitter web service, just rename it just Twitter. Okay, Twitter app, Twitter, that's fine, just this name. So now my project is ready to start working on it. So let's go to next and start build the login page.